collect my graduation package. So no. After all long now, it's been 2 years. It's been 2 years since I've graduated. Or like that. And I haven't collected it as yet. So
it can't be 2 years, babe.
How much year?
2 years? Check it. Oh, that's fuzzy.
Where is it?
20, we graded 2023. Oh no, 2024, 2025.
So
Huge food. Huge food.
it doesn't really matter, it's still 2 years. But anyways, guys, that's what I'm gonna do right now. We're on our way, we're almost there, so come along with me. I got my shits. I'm gonna show y'all when I get home.
Yeah, stay around though.
Alright. No more
Now go ever see me panic room. I get the people over me with them out of chat say I stress to them and me have family with stress and dead. But me leave with me.
well, at least this never make me stress and dead, right? Oh my god. Hey my babies, welcome back to the channel. And don't mind the bed, but we just got back home and I'm gonna do a little unboxing. I'll collect yeah. So we're gonna be unboxing my little package. But firstly, I collected my degree today. And I got my pictures, so I'm gonna show you guys. So let's get into the degree. Here you go. I'm not gonna show you what I'm gonna graduate with. Even though I'm proud of it, but it could have been better. But y'all know like my story and stuff like that. I wanted to I'm just telling you, I didn't graduate with honors because I know I did graduate from a long time, and I know like I just want to get it over with. So any grade I take, I get to take. But mind you, during my final year, like my grades were way better than in third year and in second year for second semester. Like I've been improving, okay, but I don't know that go like it's gonna be hard to like build up back everything. Like it's gonna be very hard, guys. Like just the whole process and everything. I know that it's not what I wanted to graduate with, but at least I graduated. I don't know if that makes sense. It might sound that way, but yeah, that's just the fact of everything. So yeah, I got it. This is what it came in, and I also got. What's this? Certificate. This is my diploma. I was supposed to collect this in second year, but I failed. I think I did tell me I did fail Spanish, so I never get to collect it. So yeah, so I got my degree and I got my diploma. So that's that. And I'm gonna put this off safely because it costs millions and millions of dollars. I could have my house now, but no, I do this with a piece of paper. But anyways, that's that. Let's get into the pictures. Alright, so here we are. Here are the pictures, guys. Your girl is looking so bomb. Who is this? Like, who is this? How's that boy? So I got those. I got these. Oh, I look so cute. I didn't take this one from midnight, but I didn't know, like, when we did walk up on the scene, you know, say it never take good, but I still look cute. Camera, focus, and show the people me. Ah, see me there, guys. And for the main event, yeah, yes, this is she. This is her. Yeah, girl. Yeah, I'm nuts. You look so cute. Like, I'm so proud of you. You like, you wouldn't understand how proud I am of you, girl. Like, oh, it. If you like me, I go to school for years. Like, honestly, that's how it feels. But yeah, that's about it. I felt so good today, having to go back, knowing I'm collecting my degree. I can remember when I was in that same office, literally breaking down in tears because I wanted to do my final exam and I didn't like pay all of my school fees, so you know how that goes. So it was just a great feeling being in there, seeing that, oh look girl, you're actually collecting your degree. So guys, delayed but never denied. Anything you guys are doing, there might be obstacles in the way, and like guys, as I'm telling you, if you watch my story time, I've cried so much. Just spit up paper. I've cried so much just for this paper, and I can say that it all paid off. Like, it was hard, it was stressful, like literally my band. And I gotta big up my mommy, okay? Because she's the one that actually let this happen. When she came to that school and made them know, listen, you don't have to go find back or grade them, or else, alright. So that's that. I got my degree, it's all done. I'm finished with CMU, thank God. I made it, alright? Yeah, time to unbox my SHEIN stuff. Alright guys, so this is my package. I got some stuff for me. No, I think I only got an earring for Terry. I got some bathing suits because we might go to a little party or whatever for the Easter. So I have swimsuits that I've never worn before, but I just wanted to get these new ones. So just in case, I have like 2, but what if I don't like those 2 on the day? So I have like 5 to choose from, or 6. So I understand. So yeah, let me open this to see what's inside. I'm just, oh shit. Great. I opened the bag and let's go. So I got these. I think these are the glasses. I saw them and they were so cute. So I decided to get 2. Why it seems so light? Are them? No, them to go the glasses. No, sir. Oh. I thought so. Here are the shades. Who is this? Like, get into it. I love it. It's so cute. The only thing is though, I'm gonna be doing my lashes, and these are basically hiding my lashes, but let's see how it goes. But I love them. It's been a while since I've gotten a new shade, some new shades. So yeah. Alright, next. I'm gonna do the swimsuit last. This is what now. Oh, I think this is a necklace. Yeah, this is a necklace. It's one of the necklaces where it drops between your boobies. So, you know, that's gonna look cute when I have on my swimsuit. No, I'm actually lying. This is not the necklace. This is like waist beads, guys. Yeah, I got some waist beads because, you know, you have that little sexy look when you have on your swimsuit. Yeah. So 2-in-1. Yeah, these are cute. But I'm not gonna show you when I eventually put them on and show you. Wait. Anyways, guys, as I was saying, babe.
Let them now see it. What the hell? What the hell?
Anyways, these.
Ooh, I like these. I like these colorful ones.
This is, oh yeah, guys, see necklace, remember that's what I know. It has my sign on it, so I'm a Capricorn, as you guys know, so it has the Capricorn sign. Yeah. How this way?
Oh, so what's these?
This actually falls between my boobies, like that, something like that. But yeah, cute. Here it is. Anyways, guys, this is the next one. The jewelry. I think this is an earring. Think. I thought they made it big. These are for Tariq, not mine. Could I get it? Wanna see my?
What the hell? What the hell?
Here, this is yours.
Yeah.
Alright, this is another earring. Why it look like this?
Let me see.
What?
Yeah,
Let me see. That's yours.
I just bought two to the buy, no?
What do you mean?
Let me see.
Here's my earring. Handicapped people, sorry.
It's such a
You
big
don't
piece.
easy. You want my earring and I you choose your earring. You're not easy. Last them, man. Last them.
What the hell?
Guys, so I got a little crossbody bag.
I'm not thinking very big area. I'm looking for that. You like that for me?
Here it is.
Huh? You like that for me? Nobody wears such a big earring before. I like it.
Here's my little bag.
You don't have no more earrings.
No. I told you to choose what you wanted and you chose.
Babe, me never know so this is gonna be like one jumbo earring. You don't wear that. Right. Not right now.
How would you ship this to connect to?
You sure you know I don't break you, babe?
When you don't ramp in a SHEIN, hey. Wait, let me get inside.
No, they mess up with them.
When if you drop out? How me I go wear my bag? You bitchy.
Oh, okay. Why you clip there like this? One more clip like this in the body. Could have been sending something that and it can't do.
I don't find out if make it work.
You can't find out, we can't hook it to it too. Hook it to this.
Can't open?
Can't hook it.
Alright guys, time for the swimsuit. Oh, as I said, I've been feeling like horrible, really sick. Anyways, here's the first one. Why does this look big? I ordered extra small. I had small these. Anyways, why these look so long? Here's the Dutch. Just a simple little swimsuit, nothing too extra. I liked it because it had a little cut here and under the breast, under the boobs. So yeah, that's the first one. it. Here's the other one. I like this one because of the color. I really loved this color, and it was different. How it work? I don't know. Here's the boobies. Here's the bottom part. And then I got this, which I love the color as well. This is the bottom. This no looks like me. I don't know why those look so big. This is actually extra small. Yeah, I love the color like coordination on this one. And last but not least, I got a 3-piece. Y'all know the girlies. I've been wearing these Jamaican. Well, this is not a Jamaican color, but this is the top. This is the bottom. And then it has this that goes around the waist, the bottom. So yeah, that's basically everything that I got. And guys, just stay tuned for the rest of this video. And so today is my driving lesson day. I've been driving from morning, but we'll stop over there something. So yeah. So we're just there. I mean, me just there. There you go. Hey my babies, good morning. Today is Sunday, so happy Sunday to y'all. Today I'm gonna be cooking as usual. Well, not every Sunday I cook, but yeah, I already seasoned up what I'm cooking. I'm gonna be showing y'all. I'm going to be cooking curried goat and fried chicken. So yeah, the light just come back as it is gone probably like about 2 minutes ago. So yeah, I have on my face mask or whatever. So yeah, that's about it. So maybe show you. I already seasoned up everything already. It's now after 12. Tariq is not here. He went on the road to get water. So let me show y'all where we're at. Hey guys, so here's the curry goat. Here's the goat. I seasoned it up already and everything. Like I blended my seasoning and shit. It smells so good. I wish y'all could smell it. And here's my chicken. So wanna come with me to the kitchen today to see what's popping. I wanna do white rice, but Terry said more rice and peas, and I'm not gonna do 2 types of rice, so we have to make a decision. I already have peas in the freezer. I learned this trick from my mommy. So instead of boiling peas every Sunday, I just do one thing and just freeze the rest. So I have red peas here, and I also have gongo peas. So I don't know when Tariq will make a decision, but it's an easy one too for cook the rice because I don't have to pressure the peas or anything. So that's why I'm gonna start cooking today, because we've been up for quite some time now. So yeah, I'm gonna start doing the curry, the goat, and yeah. Okay guys, here are my veggies. I don't have any more carrots, so I normally like a lot of carrots, but I'm gonna have no more, so we are working over. So my pot is on the stove, and I'm gonna be frying my chicken now. So stay tuned. Here's the food. This is Tariq's own, and that's mine, but I'm not finished it yet. So yeah.
They never had a pretty girl from Joburg to me now, and that's what they prefer.